This is part one of the commercialization phase SOP. The overall purpose of the commercialization phase SOP is to explain the full commercialization process and the information and deliverables we have on our ARIS application for project management. Purpose of part one is to describe the initiating information we will put on our commercialization project. So on a top level here, when the project starts, we will input our first production date as well as first ship dates for this item. Our first delivery date will remain blank until we have hard purchase orders from our customer. The project number is auto-populated by our system. The name is written here of the product, and the nomenclature for this purpose is our brand name, followed by the final product name of the item. Project manager name is in this field. It gets selected from a dialog box that contains a list of all of our employees. Our project phase will be selected. In this case, it is commercialization. The customer channel is here. For retail, we will type in retail because if it just describes to our nationwide retail customers, it is customer specific, we will put in that customer. Typically for club items, they will be customer specific, such as Sam's Club, Costco, and BJ's. If it is a meat item, we will select yes under USDA. If it is a simple FDA item, we will select no. For formula complexity, if it is a new formula procedure created, we will select new. If it is not, we will select current. If there are new operational procedures, processes, or machinery involved in this item, we will select new. If it is using existing processes, procedures, and machines, we will select current. Here we will write in what facility we will run this item in, either Forest City, Yuba City, or Benicia, using YC, BE, or FC. And in this box, we will put in the projected revenue that this item will bring in. The purpose of the project will be written here, and the update box will be filled out weekly and this is part of the key information that will be reported out in the success report. The success report is housed in SharePoint and is published every week on the success report Slack channel. That will be covered in another SOP. The team will be filled out on this tab. It will have the names of everybody involved as well as their roles in the project. These roles will be connected to the roles in these tasks listed below. In this tab, the finished goods used in this project will be listed, and this is where most of the deliverables will be housed. When we're doing commercialization projects, the finished good will be what's listed here. Here's the finished good we were listing for this item. That is the conclusion of part one of the commercialization phase SOP.